Good morning. And how are we? It's been a while since I picked this bad boy up. But I need to start picking this thing up again, because I've got out of the habit of doing it. What has happened since last time I picked a camera up? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. Because I think I literally stopped filming the week we went to Camper Jam. So we went to Camper Jam. That was actually a brilliant show. Very much enjoyed that. Other things have probably happened that I've forgotten. We took John's van. I think in one of the last videos, we were taking John's van to go get an exhaust. Well, a few things happened and we didn't get the exhaust done there. But he has got an exhaust somewhere else. So we'll have to go and have a little look at that at some point. The orange van, which is actually in the top yard. That van, that is the one that was on my ramp, and it was a 1.9 to 2.5. Well, that is now completely 2.5 swapped. 3-inch downpipe, hybrid turbo, big boy injectors. She's currently pushing 200 brake, same as Guy's black van. So that and that are 200 brake animals. Yeah, John's van. We're not going to be able to see it, but that has a cool exhaust on it. Sounds lovely as well. My van's just having a little brake by there. Nothing wrong with it. I was just driving another van, putting some miles on that one, which also came in for an engine conversion. Probably lots of other things that have changed that I've completely forgotten, but yeah, sort of haven't picked a camera up as much as I would have wanted to. But I have now. This van, which I will talk to you about in a minute, is yeah. But you haven't seen him. Well, you have seen him, but I haven't recorded him in a while. The man, the myth, the legend,
Mr. John. Da-da-da.
Mr. Mullet.
Not bad.
You good? Yeah. Your new phone's ringing.
I'll be back in a sec.
Duty calls. So while John is off dealing with that, how are we, sir?
All good, bud. All good.
Having fun?
Yeah?
How did you enjoy Camper Jam?
Mega.
Good, wasn't it?
Very good show.
Definitely doing that one more often. Big, clean. Never seen so many big, you're not going to be able to see it, those big wheelie bins. They had hundreds of them. They were proper clean and nice, loads to do. Oh, it was a good show, definitely doing that again.
Yeah.
What have you been up to?
Just fixing the rest. That didn't exist. The wing just came off.
Oh.
Yeah, it's finished the wing now. It's been with the lip on the sliding door, and a couple ball joints and stuff. MOT.
Ta-da!
Go back to the old now.
Should be good as new again.
Yeah.
So, once this thing gets spun around, and you can kind of see it's a bit holy. Nothing our dynamo can't fix. So there we go. I'll have a little goosey at that momentarily. But back to Jonathan.
Back again.
So are you doing well?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Just doing gearbox. I done 3 gearboxes last week. This second this week.
Yeah. He is Johnny Gearbox at the minute.
That's 5 gearboxes, Carl.
Is it? That's maths.
That's quick maths. That's quick maths. 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths.
3 plus 2, that's 5. Quick maths.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm still kicking. Motorhome's not done. Green vans.
Green van needs a little bit more work because we've got a trip next weekend.
Where are we going, Carl?
We are going Cornwell next week, and you are taking a hydro van. Yeah, baby. Hydro van.
No.
Yeah.
I can't read a paper van. I've seen actually read a book before.
Yeah, but she's actually going on a proper hollybobs.
She is going on a summer holiday.
Literally.
No work for a week or
10 days. Well, before I get on the blue van, how did you enjoy Camper Jam, Mr. John?
I loved Camper Jam, minus the show and shine boarding was corrupt.
Yeah, was a little bit corrupt.
No, I loved it. I said that was the first show I ever went to. And, what are you doing over there, Carl?
I'm doing a 1.9 to 1.9 swap.
Moved up the ladder,
Huh?
Moved up the ladder.
Moved up the ladder. Done a 1.9 to 2.5. Now doing a 1.9 to a 1.9. Well, this van we've had actually for a little while. It's been parked up on the top. But this, as you can probably tell, is a little bit upset. So, this one is coming out, and the one that's in there is going in it. Nice, low mileage. I mean, look at the wheels. Brand new. This is a very nice van. I'll show you the inside in a bit. Most importantly, let's get this dead thing out and start getting her rebuilt. Start as we mean to go on. So I'll put you over here. Gonna have a little time lapse of me undoing 4 bolts and pull this bad mama jammer out. So enjoy. There you go. So you've had a little what you see of that. That is the engine you've seen that was in there that I took out. That is the engine that was in the bunker. And then what I had to do is take gearbox off of that one and put it on that one. Marry it all together. I did take the turbo and the manifolds off because this head is about to come off and put a new one on. Because obviously, as you can see, headless. Got to do that. So I thought, while all this lot was off, take the turbo and manifolds off. It makes life a little bit easier for me. So yeah, start stripping this side down, take this head off. We do have another head over there. So I can go straight on, time it up. Sort of like the clutch and gears, and have got a brand new diesel pump down there. That's going to go on here. Yeah. And she will be a fully refurbished 1.9. So that's the plan for that. John is done with that. He's going to literally move that out in a second. And put something else there. We're going to stop and have lunch. Here is a 1.9. Back from the machine shop. All new gaskets, all new everything. So yeah, that's what's going in there. I have kept this here because I do need a few more bits and bobs off of it. Quite happy with that. So we're going to stop in a minute for lunch and do a few bits and bobs, but I'll try and pick this thing up. You can have a little watch-see of this thing coming back together again. Fingers crossed. Ah, and Mr. Namo is about to turn that one around and do that other side, so happy days. Right, let's get this done. Let's have some lunch. Cinema. And welcome back. So this is actually the following week from what you see me doing last week. Which was that? Sticking an engine in there, making it good again. But yeah, that just needs a few bits and bobs, and that should be good. But that's not what we're doing today. Mr. Namo is doing some welding on the blue and white one, just finishing the last little bits. And John is working on this van. Now, the owner of this van is actually the gentleman who made the spacers for my shocks to go in the new shock mounts. It's actually his van. And this has come here just for a few bits and bobs, brake lines and a few bits and bobs. We'll check up with John in a bit. But me, myself and I'm working on this van. And my job is brake vacuum pump. Because we go into the pit, you'll probably see she is nice and leaky. So that is the plan. Change that bad boy. So get this thing spun round, TDC, and that thing should fly out. I'm going to start messing around with this and get that brake vacuum pump off, which should be good fun. Because there is a bolt right there. That's actually not going to be too bad. The underneath one is a pain, so time-lapse time. Well, there's that done. New vacuum pumps in, which you probably can't even see. There you go. Just going to let that thing set. So I'm going to crack on with someone else while that gets done. But while he's back...
Morning, people.
How are we?
Oh, look at that, 2 nipples. I got 3 nipples.
What are we doing?
Complexes. Just some pads. This one is not bad, but the other side's fun. Exhaust. Yeah, maybe fitting your wings away.
So as of recording this, we are off to Cornwall on the weekend, which we're very much looking forward to. But in the meantime, back on this van. This is the van, the big power van, big injectors, big turbo, etc, etc. Well, she has had a good few miles put under her belt and she is performing perfect. But a few last little touches. Full set of door locks. Also change your steering wheel over, the other one's in the back. Get that done. And get the stereo to work, because it doesn't come on, doesn't go off. And then fit this bad boy. Yeah. And then that will be ready to go back to said owner. So that's what I'm going to get up to while that thing's setting. Have a little potch for that. Mr. Namo.
Hello, people.
I would ask what you're doing, but I can see what you're doing. So we'll leave you in peace.
Yeah.
I'm going to go play door locks and Radio Man on this bad boy. So, yeah. Also need to put a new... So, I'm going to crack on with this. And I'll sort of show you stuff as I'm going, so... Yeah, let's crack on. Well, it's been a little time longer since you see me fitting the steering wheel, which just the way I turned it in, it does sit normally, and the horn does work, but that's not what we're doing. Trying to get that stereo in here, but also trying to figure out what all these wires do. So I have had a little bit of a play and found out that all of them are the power harness, and half of these were plugged into speaker wires. So figured them out. Now I need to get them onto proper harness. You can see they've all been cut, but I've got no room to solder them all back on. So there we go. Got me another harness with enough wiring to solder onto. So I'm now going to play Mr. Wireman. Wish me luck. What a pain in the ass this has been. But look at that. All nice and tidy. Everything's where it's supposed to be. So that clicks in like that. Key on. Ha! Turn the lights on. Illumination all works. Now all we need to do oh, I haven't put the radio in, but speakers are working. Right, I'm gonna get this thing put in a little bit tidier. I'll pick you up in a bit. Well, there we go. There's that lot done, did it? And everything is now tidy. And as you can see, the trim's been cut. Trim's been put around the radio. Everything is done. Look at that. And then ta-da! Key comes out, it goes off. Happy Carlos. So this thing is done, did. Very happy. I'm happy anyway. How are you, Mr. Jonathan?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Breaking stuff. Oh, here we go. So long,
Also, just for perspective, look.
Do you not see it? Ah.
That's where it is, and that's what we can see. Anyway, we're going to carry on having a little bit of a play with this bad boy. There you go. There we go. So I am happy with this, and that is going to be the end of this video. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed having some videos back again. I am pleased to be back. But anyway, I'm going to stop going on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.